Welcome back to a lecture series on digital image processing. So in this lecture now we are going to discuss about the post classification vector process, vectorization. So we do classification based on the raster data. As you know that the satellite data are in the format of rows and columns, or we can simply say that pixel or pixel element. Whatever the reflectance value or the reflectance values or the absorption values are recorded in the form of numeric numbers, digital numbers, and we are using those digital numbers for the analysis in digital image processing. Once if you use those digital data and the data is being taken for the analysis, we have done the analysis of supervised classification. So it's done in the raster format. Now after classifying the image has to be brought it in the vector format for further analysis. Normally we go with the multiple overlay analysis or advanced analysis in image processing or GIS. We need all our map in the form of vector. This is called R2V or raster to vector. So the process of bringing the raster data into vector data is called vectorization. So this exercise or this demonstration is about vectorization process of post classified image in the platform NB software of image processing. We will see how the vector process has to be done. Now we have to open the image file where we have kept our image file, the supervised classification, that is classification combined filtered output. It means after all the process, once if you open the image, you know that you have a scroll, you have a zoom, and available band list details will come. So you can move your map and see that this is filtered post classification filtered image. It means this after the classification we have to do some more the additional editing work. We have done the editing work here, and this is the water body, and you have dense forest and all the other things are there. Now you have to go to classification on the top of the menu, and you have to go to post classification. There are many operations, so you have to do it all the operation as and when, otherwise you go to help and then check that few more operations how to do it. And now we are going to do the last one called classification to vector. Click this button. So it will take little time. You see the process, it is in process. So it will take time, and the raster to vector input band icon will come. In the raster to whatever the data are available, this will come. You have to take majority analysis. This is what we have done in unsupervised classification combined filter output. It was kept in this workspace, and you all the other band information also will come. Give OK, and when you are taking the supervised unsupervised classification filter output, whatever the features which is there in this image will come. It has water body, degraded forest, dense forest, and agri area. Now you can select all the features, select all items. This is the process raster to vector. You will have to keep your work output in the file class vector. So give open. So that is the area where you are going to keep, and this is enter file name .evf. Give OK. So it takes little time to process this. So it takes 5 times of iteration process. Now this is 4th time, and then the next time it will display. Now you have to go to, now you see layer RTB has come. The following raster values, it is there as available vector list. open layers in ArcMap you can directly take from here or export to shapefile. Directly from here we can open it in ArcGIS and save it. Otherwise normally we do it with a shapefile. Now output EVF, that is what we have saved. Enter output file name. Normally shape files are required for the application in GIS. So choose the location where you want to keep your file here. So giving vector dot shape, open, give OK. Now check whether it has come. Workspace. Yeah. Yes, vector dot shape, class vector dot shape, it is here. You can now open this after processing in NV software in ArcGIS. Now that vector dot shape file I am just trying to open, locating. Now it's here. Yes, give open. Now the data is loading, and you look at that. This is the vector output. This vector output you can also check with the attribute table. This is in NV platform I have opened. You look at that, all the data are represented here. So this is now converted into a polygon file from the pixel file. Now you can take this shape file into ArcGIS to work for your further analysis, or if you want to work with image processing also here itself for the various analysis that we can use here itself for the assessment. So once if you do this, the data is ready for various applications or the analysis. So with this, the conversion of post class supervised classification a raster image into vectorization is come to an end. Thank you very much.